Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to keep Google Chat active quickly and easily, perfect for staying connected and responsive. First, open your browser and go to Google. Click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and select Google Chat. Next, once you're on the chat homepage, check your status settings by clicking your profile picture or status icon. Set your status to active or automatic to let others know you're available. After that, if you need quiet time, you can switch to Away or Do Not Disturb. These options help manage expectations and mute notifications temporarily. To complete the setup, consider adding a custom status like in a meeting or out for lunch to give others more context about your availability. And that's it. You've just learned how to manage your presence on Google Chat, a smart way to stay productive and accessible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.